Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable home feed recommendations on your account settings on your accounts on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings, and now click account settings. Now click now here you'll find it. You'll find enable home feed recommendations. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on as you see. That's it. That's how to enable home feed recommendations on your accounts on Reddit. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.